100%. You might have a warrant. I'll show you. I have a computer.
I'm not going.
Hold on. No.
I'm leaving.
Oh, shit.
It's through the roof constantly. I'm about to give birth. I really don't want to go to jail. I'm afraid of you guys. Wait, hey.
Illinois, December 18th, 2025. A traffic stop, a pending warrant, and one sentence that changed everything. The driver said, quote, "I'm leaving," and drove away. That phrase is the legal heart of this case.
Said they were worried about you. Is your car able to move?
Yeah.
Can we do me a favor? Can we back it up at least?
Yeah, I'm moving. I'm just gonna...
Well, no, let's back up because we're out of the way. I need to talk to you. So can we back up in that space right there? I'll explain to you in a second. But number one, we're in a weird spot. Well, can you back up to that corner right there?
Can you tell me what you talk
Yes.
before I do? Yeah.
100%. You might have a warrant. I'll show you. I have a computer.
I'm not going.
Hold on. No.
I'm leaving.
Oh, shit. And I just had Brent Byer take off on me.
You have way too much wind. Just confirming it is Brent. They will confirm it.
She's going westbound on East Main. I'm not pursuing. I'm just making sure there's no crashes. This is a lot easier if we can just take care of it, okay?
Under 625 ILCS 5-11-204, fleeing or eluding is a Class A misdemeanor in Illinois. The statute requires a uniformed officer's signal to stop and a willful refusal by the driver. Her own words, "I'm leaving," supply nearly clean evidence of the willfulness element. The aggravated version, Section 11-204.1, requires injury, damage, or 21 over. None of those aggravators appear on the captured footage. A misdemeanor charge is correct.
Third Ave, Northwest.
Can I show you my computer?
Honey, I don't have a warrant.
I'll step out. Come talk to me, though.
No, I went to the court case. I don't have a warrant. If you
Okay.
follow me around, I will have you arrested.
Hold on. I can literally show you the computer, Brent. You gotta stop because this is gonna be bad if you flee from me. No, and as long as we can figure it out, if everything's good, we're good. I will sit here if you step out and look at my computer.
No, it's a yes or no.
I don't know.
You're trying to corner me because that's against the law.
I am not cornering you if we're literally just trying to figure it out. And 1390 southbound on 3rd Ave from Marion. Not pursuing. She's just blacked out heading south. She just doesn't believe she has a warrant. That's what she's trying to get her to come out here and talk to me, but.
Oh, I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
I want to talk to him.
I'll pull up.
Please
Can you talk to my partner then? Ray, she wants to talk to you, so I'm gonna stand by here right in front of you, okay?
He's threatening me. I've had bad experiences with him in the past here.
But listen. Do you know that you have a warrant?
It's not an arrest warrant.
I can promise you.
I don't want to go to jail tonight, okay?
I can promise you that.
I'm this right now because I don't want to go to jail tonight. I don't deserve it.
We can show you the warrant.
This is
We
my
can.
home. I have 6 kitties in here. Please don't do this to me.
We can
Please
figure
don't
all.
do
We
this to
can.
me.
We can figure all that out.
I don't want to go to jail tonight. Please don't do this to me. I'm begging you. To me, I'm gonna lose my cats. And they're my
No,
favorite. They're
you're
my
not.
family.
You're not
Yeah,
going to
I
lose
am.
it. No.
Yeah, because this
We
is our
we
house.
have accommodations to take care of the cats.
Yeah, but
okay?
I'm not going to be able to get him back. I have to pay
Yes, you.
money to get him back. I have
No.
no money. Please
I know.
don't do this to me. Please
I know.
don't do this to me.
You and I have talked before. I'm familiar with your situation. Okay.
So what does that mean? What does that mean?
I understand why you're upset, and I understand why.
The solution. You do this to me every time. I have a machine on my body, and they're me. You don't understand.
Brent, we're gonna work with you. Okay.
What do you mean? You're gonna send me to jail? That's how you're gonna work with me?
You feel comfortable getting out? Do you want to get out?
I don't want to get out.
Let me step out, okay? That way I can talk to you.
This is a
I know.
Thank you for being kind and showing me some generosity.
Absolutely.
and love. I don't know why he's doing that to my car.
Those are stop sticks, so if you drive forward,
I know, and I'm not going
your tires are going to inflate,
I
and then
know.
then you're not going to have your car at all.
He's really aggressive towards me,
Okay.
I would say, yeah.
Can you step out? We can talk. Okay. Do you
Are
have any
Are
weapons?
you gonna arrest me? Can I just stay in here? Because you said I don't have to get out. You said you would get out, so that's why I'm in here. I don't want to get out. I don't want to get arrested. Can you please just talk to me right here?
Yeah, that's fine. You have an arrest warrant that's signed by a judge. We can't just ignore that.
I know
Right.
that. Okay. Can I maybe have a day to prepare bond and then maybe
Well,
turn
there's no
myself
bond.
in? What do you mean there's no
The
more bond?
state of Illinois doesn't do bond anymore.
So what does that mean?
After the Safety Act, it means you have to go see a judge,
Okay.
or you just get a new court date and then. I'm not sure exactly what the warrant is. I would have to.
Can I go to the courthouse with my friend Mitchell? Can he take me to the courthouse tomorrow? Is that okay?
Can he take you right now?
I think
Well,
he's
no, okay.
sleeping, but
No, because you're going to have to see a judge. No, because you're going to have to see a judge regardless. So.
That's why I was like, can I go with my friend Mitchell tomorrow? He'd be happy to take me, and I just won't lose my home and all my cats because I literally have no money, man. And I'm going through this situation where I have to sue you guys because you won't help me because I have a device on me that they're touching me, a mobile blood pressure machine. I think I put it in an email that I sent to your tip email address. And then the cops came up to me and they're like, so what's your email about? Do you have any questions?
Let me look, because I haven't even looked at the warrant.
Yeah.
So it looks like you were issued a citation and then you didn't go to court for it.
I think I missed it.
Typically, when we're out with somebody that has a warrant, we have to act on that warrant.
Are we going to be reasonable? We're just trying to figure it out, right? When I tried to talk to you about this, that's why I said, hey, you
I'm
might.
sorry for pulling off, but
And I appreciate that.
statistically speaking, when this happens, is it a yes or a no?
No, we don't know. It's when they confirm, then it's either yes or no. Right now we're waiting, which is why I tried to tell you, literally I said, you might have a warrant. And then you said, I'm leaving. Does that make sense where I'm saying, hold on?
So, I just feel like I'm being cornered right now, and I could really, you guys could get in a lot of trouble for arresting me. It's kind of like, it's kind of like cornering a victim.
But Bryn, did Officer Holman literally show you? You might have a warrant. We're just trying to confirm it.
In my email that I'm being abused, and you refuse to do anything. You're not even responding about the abuse right now.
I don't know about that report. I don't know if I took that one.
Okay, honey.
But again, I'm just here because honestly, some guy said they were worried that you were parked over there. I saw your tag, and it's because of your file. I said you might have a warrant. We got to just address this. But when you just say I'm leaving and take off, we now are at this point where we just have to figure it out. Okay, so you got to work with us. We're trying to work with you. If the warrant's no good, the warrant's no good.
Okay.
If the warrant is good, we're going to have to address that, but we will do everything we can to accommodate you and your cats. Okay?
Yeah.
But we're just trying to figure this out. We don't need... I'm glad you didn't hit that Jeep. You know that?
Okay.
Did you not see that Jeep that you almost
I did.
T-boned? Yeah. You can't put people's lives in danger like that just by having a conversation.
Okay.
So let's just figure this out, and we will cross that bridge when we get there. But you have to work with us, okay?
I am.
There's a ton of us here now.
I do a lot of work for the law on my own.
Okay.
You guys literally won't help me at all. But did you have a result yet?
We're waiting. We're still waiting.
Sometimes it just takes longer.
Do you have a jacket on right now? Can we put that on because it's freezing? Can we put it on?
Can I wait until I know if I have a warrant or not?
Okay, fine.
All right. What do you usually do when somebody has a warrant? They're in a car.
As long as they're cooperative and they're good with us, there could be an option of just parking it and letting it just sit there.
Okay.
The problem is you have cats, right?
Yeah.
So, but we can cross that bridge if you cooperate with us.
Okay.
But you leaving, essentially what I'm telling you, you got to stop. It's not doing you any favors, okay? Go ahead.
Well, 99, they will extradite hold for...
You have a valid warrant. So I know...
On the underlying warrant, United States versus Hensley, 1985, authorizes arrest on a confirmed warrant. Atwater versus Lago Vista, 2001, holds custodial arrest is constitutional even for minor misdemeanors. The use of force analysis runs through Graham versus Connor, 1989. Objective reasonableness. Severity of offense, threat, and resistance. Here, only handcuffing of a compliant subject occurred. No empty hand strikes, no less lethal tools, no drawn weapons. The seizure is plainly reasonable. The officer's statement, Illinois doesn't do bond anymore, tracks the Pretrial Fairness Act. Effective September 18th, 2023, Illinois eliminated cash bail. A judge decides release, not money. This makes the officer's plain language explanation legally accurate, not a misstatement of law.
Jail, this isn't fair.
I know it's not fair. We have to just tell the judge that's not fair, okay? Can you work with us so we can work with you?
How long do you think I'm going to be in there?
Probably in the morning. You just got to talk to the judge in the morning. Can we do me a favor? Can we just take care of this? We will do what we can with your cats and get your car taken care of. No. You can't park it right now.
I can't park it. Why?
We will take care of that for you.
Okay.
You have not shown me in our interactions that I had with you, the BP, that I can trust you to do this, whatever. Trust me right now, because we've been trying to just talk to you, that we will help you out. But we're trying to do this safely for you, for the cats, and for us. So if you just step out, we can take care of the warrant. You get to talk to a judge. We will do what we can to accommodate with your cats.
And then you don't have to worry about it anymore. This will be all done and over with in the morning.
Can you work with me on that?
I don't want to.
All right. I'm going to open your door, okay? Grab a jacket. Your car keys are in there, right?
My car is a little bit different.
That's fine. Grab your jacket, please. Put some shoes on. Okay, put your shoes on. We will leave your car here. You're going to come with me, though, okay? But and then come step out over here, okay?
You're not going to take my cats.
We are not going to take your
Are you
cats.
going to impound it?
Your cats?
My car.
I don't know. We have to, again, let's one thing at a
Tell
time.
me before I step out of it, honey. You're not treating me like a human being.
I'm just having a conversation with
Are
you.
you
We
gonna-
will do what we can, but you have to work with us.
Okay,
The longer we're standing on there. Yeah, we'll park
You'll
it.
park
Yes,
it, not
sure.
impound it. Thank
Yes.
you. That means a lot to me.
Okay, I appreciate
Thank you
it.
very much.
Do me a favor, let's walk back here to my car. It's the white one over here.
My cats are gonna climb out.
Fine.
Thank you.
Put your jacket out, please, and I gotta make sure you don't have any weapons, okay?
I don't have any weapons.
I don't know that, though, okay?
Now what?
So now real quick, I just have to handcuff you, okay?
This is not a big issue. It's just literally you're just going to see a judge.
Is it a lot? Usually are you in here for a long time for something?
No.
Can you do me a favor? I just gotta make sure there's nothing on your pockets, okay, Bryn?
And it's just a little misdemeanor trespassing.
Can
It's
I
not
make a
even.
call to have somebody check on my cats?
Yes.
Now you can show one people on that about it.
My adrenaline is through the roof constantly. I'm about to give birth. I really don't want to go to jail. I'm afraid of you guys. Wait, hey! I have a question. Hi! Hey, come here! Hey, you're not gonna take my cats out of the... Excuse me? Hey, you're not taking my cats out of the car, right?
We have to put them in a cage.
In a cage?
Can't leave them in the car.
Why? They live in my car. That's their house.
No, I know, but we can't leave them physically in the car. So
Well, are you gonna put them somewhere I don't have to bond them out with money, or...
we'll figure that out, but it's freezing out. Let's have a conversation.
Well, here's the thing. Hey, you know what? Hey, excuse me. Hey, honey. I don't have any money to get my cats back, and they're my world. Are you guys gonna put them in animal control or something, or where do you usually put cats? Do you have a place for free they can go, or can I call a family member to come pick them up instead, so I don't have to never see my cats again? Hello?
Hold on.
Because are you gonna put my cats in animal control, honey?
Hold on, Bryn. I'm trying to drive. You can just stand by that orange cone right there.
On the lead officer. A. B. Lawful, transparent, sound, non-pursuit decision under modern Illinois policy. But disclosing the warrant before containing the vehicle created a foreseeable, avoidable flight risk. The female officer earns an A-. She converted active refusal into voluntary surrender. Accurate Pretrial Fairness Act explanation. Calibrated empathy. No force. No constitutional issues. The subject earns a C-. Flight in a vehicle on public roads is the core legal deduction. A near miss with a third party converted a routine book and release into an added Class A charge. 3 lessons emerge from the legal record. First, never flee. Under Section 11-204, the willfulness element is satisfied by 1 sentence. Second, warrant disclosure is sound ethics but risky tactics. Contain the vehicle before disclosing. Third, under the Pretrial Fairness Act, custody on a misdemeanor warrant is usually short, not life-altering. Flight converts a manageable legal problem into a separate criminal charge that follows the record. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more.